Outfit Anyone might change the way you try on any clothing. This is an image of a person. Upload an image of garment, then you are able to see the effects of the person trying on the garment. That's amazing! This AI model is developed by Alibaba Group. From their demos, they showcase the model's ability to handle a wide range of eccentric and unique clothing styles, even create corresponding outfit combinations when necessary. What's more, the model shows the ability to automatically match various body types, which provides great possibilities for realistic scenarios. They also demonstrate the ability to fit in anime styles, easily change the clothing and styles of animation characters. Think about what this can do. This would be huge impact for many industries. Besides that, the model also uses a refiner function. From the demo images, we can see the effects before and after using the refiner. It helps enhance the texture and realism of the clothing while maintaining consistency in the apparel. Speaking of enhancing images refining, if you have high demand on image and video quality, I'd recommend using HitPaw AI for photo and video enhancement. It can easily upscale your low-quality image or video to super high resolution, with details greatly improved. And it's suitable for portrait, landscape, anime, or any kind of images and videos. Check out the official link in the description if you are interested. Furthermore, not long ago the Alibaba Group just released Animate Anyone, a pose-to-video AI model. You can check out my other video to learn more details. If you combine Outfit Anyone and Animate Anyone together, you are able to achieve outfit changes and motion video generation for any character. Amazing! The team release a demo for people to try. You can now free access Outfit Anyone on Hugging Face. I will also put the link in the description. It offers 14 models. You can choose the default garment to try, or upload any images as garment, and click on Run to see the result. I tried some normal outfit, and it's looking really good. Perfectly matched the original clothes. I also tried some weird images, and it's looking really creative and gives me some surprises. You can also save the image and use it on magicanimate to make it move. I will also put the free access link in the description. With this tech coming out, I am sure we can find suitable outfit easier in the future. Let's look forwards to it. That's it for the share. If this video helps, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI tools and tips. Share your comments below and I'd be happy to read them. Thanks for watching.